Here's MKBHD app and called Panels Wallpapers. So this is the app from famous YouTuber. He is one of the top tech reviewers on YouTube, and now he just released his own wallpaper app. Why wallpaper app? Because as he says on his Twitter that a lot of his viewers actually were asking which wallpapers is he using, where to get those wallpapers. So now he's just created a specific app for that to get wallpapers which he's using in his videos. Yeah, to be honest, there are some pretty cool wallpapers. So let's just open it up. Here's the app. You just create your account with Apple ID or Google, whatever. You don't need to upgrade to see this. So you just have all these wallpapers. And then you just go to Explore tab, and then you see a scene on MKBHD, and these are the wallpapers he's using in his videos. There are some pretty cool ones, yep, but here is the trick. Like, if you want to get a wallpaper, you need to watch one ad to unlock a standard definition, which is 1080 pixels. Then if you want to unlock full resolution, you need to upgrade, which is $12 per month or $50 per year. You also get no ad, full resolution, early access to new wallpapers. All collections are unlocked. So yeah, that's just what you have. And some of the things you can get as collection, just pay $8 instead of 12 months. You can also follow some top creators here. You can also reach out to them on Instagram, or then there are some other featured artists, wallpaper of the week, and a bunch of other wallpapers which you can like and save. So that's the idea. And then also if you tap search, you can have some for example, some interesting filters. Yeah, to be honest, there are some nice wallpapers, but this app doesn't have, like thousands of them. There are other apps like Theme Pack, some other ones which, have like thousands and thousands of wallpapers created by different artists, and you can become an artist there and sell your wallpapers. Here is just a curated list of artists, pre-selected wallpapers, and that's it. So basically, the main use case here, if you really like MKBHD videos and wallpapers which is using there, then you can just use this app and get those. If you don't care about it, then probably there are some cheaper apps where in addition to wallpapers, you can also get icons, you can get widgets, lock screen widget, all of the things for same kind of price. So yeah, it's like a creator app for his fan base. I guess this is not like a super complicated app or super well designed app, but that's what it is. It's kind of should be enough. And then yeah, you just have all of this in the menu. You can change the theme, you can change app icons. You don't need to upgrade for that. It's cool. Then you can go to your account. You can have some privacy settings here. You can also delete account from here. And that's what it is basically. So super simple app. On one hand, I like simple apps where there are not like 20 links in the menus and just, straight to the point. I just want to get same wallpapers. That's it. I can easily get them. But a lot of people on Twitter were expecting some really insane app from MKBHD because he's a tech reviewer and he's quite critical to other people products. So people were expecting some super unusual, super perfect, but like obviously it's not. It's just a random app, and it has a lot of ads and a lot of privacy permissions and all of things like that. You can follow the drama on Twitter, but some people supporting him, some people are very critical. So at the moment that's just what's happening. But yeah, that's the app. If you want to try it out, just go and try it out. Then if you don't like it, you can easily go and delete your account. So that's the app. Try it out.